Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna jump right into it. Today we're working on a deep dark chocolate model. I just love her skin. So she does have a little hypopigmentation around her face, so we'll be working on that. So first of all, I just cleaned the face with some wipes. You can put in some micellar water if they have some makeup on to just give us a clean base. Now I'm going in with Moisture Potion from Msmetic. It's a Nigerian brand. I just really love this product because it's not oily and it just gets the face really moisturized and ready to accept the makeup. So I'm just going to put this all over her face. Next up, we're going to use the Body Shop Tea Tree Mattifying Lotion as a primer. This is going to keep my model's face really nice and matte and really reduce the oils from coming up later on. So next up, I'm going to be using the Nuban Beauty Foundation. This is actually a PR package I got. Look at all those shades. Talk about range. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to be using D16. It's really nice and dark, and I really like it because it's like neutral, not too orange. So guys, just look at that shade. So now this is what I was talking about. We're gonna match her face to her neck because I told you she does have some hypopigmentation on her face. So it's important not to make her light skin, but retain that rich chocolate skin tone. Gorgeous, guys, just gorgeous. Using Fenty Beauty concealer in 370, it's like really light. That's just because I want to really pop the highlighter and not use as many products, still keeping the face as lightweight as possible. So I just put in the normal regions, blend it out with a brush just so that it can really melt into the foundation. And then I'm just gonna use a beauty blender afterwards. So yeah. This is the same beauty blender I use to blend out the foundation early on. So yeah. Gorgeous. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to set the concealer with Fenty Beauty setting powder in honey. And I'm just going to use that on all the areas that I applied concealer. Yes. Yeah, so I'm going to go in again slightly with a little bit more powder, setting powder to just bake lightly. Remember, we're trying to go a bit snatched, but don't worry, it looks a bit crazy, but it's just going to look really nice, I promise. Now I'm going to go in with the same Nuban Beauty foundation in a darker shade just to contour her nose a little bit. So sometimes I just like to use a cream contour because it's just a bit more precise than powder contour for me. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply it and blend it out. Of course, I'm going to use a beauty blender to really press it in and blend it out some more. Now I'm just going to set the foundation that I used to contour her nose with some powder. Remember, always set your cream products to just help it stay a bit longer. Now using the same powder palette, which is Zikel Cosmetics mini face palette. It's a Nigerian brand. I just love the range of colors that it gives. So I'm going to use the darkest shade to contour her face because I mean, yes, she is a chocolate queen. So I am going to mix it up a little bit with the lighter shade to help me blend it towards the highlighter. Yes, so I'm just going to contour her cheekbone, her forehead, her chin, just to, you know, add more shadows and depth to her face. Finally, brows. So I'm going to be using Brow Tamer by TM Essentials and Beautyline by Didi pencil. So these are both Nigerian brands. I don't know if you guys know that I am Nigerian, so I try to support the brand and what's available and grow the naira, all that. And they actually really good products. So I use the Brow Tamer, which is kind of like a wax, to just put the brows together, and this actually helps me follow her natural brow because it's already nice and well shaped, and I just don't want her to look crazy or anything. So I'm just filling in the brows lightly with the pencil. Gorgeous. And then I'm going to clean up very lightly with a foundation shade or concealer, whatever you want to use, just like one shade lighter than her, so you know we're just not doing anything crazy. Guys, I am using almost everything Nuban Beauty for the skin work. So I'm using a lighter foundation to prep her eyes. So this is just going to cancel out any hyperpigmentation and just, you know, conceal the eyes and prep it to accept the eyeshadow. Look at that, gorgeous. So I'm going to set it, of course, with anything cream or liquid. Set it with powder. I'm setting it with a lighter shade of powder. Gorgeous. Now for eyeshadow, of course, you know it. I'm using a Nigerian brand. This is Hegai and Esther palette that I actually customized myself. So I'm going to go in with that really nice red. It's called Inferno. So it looks really nice on her dark skin. And I'm just going to blend it out in her crease, just blow it out everywhere. Using Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palettes for her lid, I'm going to use that really nice, a bronzy, shimmery color. Guys, watch this. Oh yes, guys, I'm so sorry. This clip is actually a bit blurry, but it does get better, I promise you. Told you, look at that. Like, it just looks really lovely against her lovely chocolate skin. And now I'm just using a fluffy brush to blend it into her crease and just give it that seamless finish. For our lashes, I'm going to be using these lashes. They're unbranded, but I just love how wispy it looks. I'm going to be using Zaron Lengthening Mascara, another Nigerian brand, to apply the mascara on the lashes before applying the lashes. So I put on the duo glue on the lashes, and I'm just going to put it on after leaving it to get tacky for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with the black eyeliner. Today I'm going to be using Inglot 77 eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the Inglot Beautyline to make it a bit more liquid because of it dried up. So using the back of the brush, I'm going to put it back of my hand, and then I'm going to go ahead and line underneath her eyes. So for blush, I'm actually going to be using an eyeshadow palette. This is the Masquerade palette by Juvias Place. And I'm going to be using this really nice orange color. Guys, Just look at that. So I also mixed it with a reddish color just to make it a bit warmer and darker. Gorgeous. So I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty lip moisturizer to moisturize her lips. I'm going to put it at the back of my hand. And of course, before I started this makeup tutorial, I had washed and sanitized my hands. So I'm just spreading that out a bit. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using Blotbeauty Cosmetics in Salt. It's a matte liquid lipstick. It's a Nigerian brand, and I just really love this color because it's really dark and purple and juicy and everything. So just smacking that around her lips. Gonna blend it out lightly. Then using Yanga Beauty lipstick in Cocoa. It's a really nice dark brown, also a Nigerian brand. I'm gonna just use it to line her lips because I don't want it to be too purple or too brown. I am definitely a gloss girl, so I'm going to be using Bambi Vee Beauty Cosmetics lip gloss in Crystal Clear. It's another Nigerian brand. I know, I am so patriotic. So I'm just going to put that all over her lips to give it a luscious, juicy, glossy look. Fabulous. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Hegai and Esther Flash Pan. I'm going to go in with that color. Wow, guys. Just wow. Just takes the look to another glowing level. I just really love this palette. So I'm going to be using Ghunu Effects Rose Water to just set her face and freshen the look a bit. I'm going to use it all over her face and voila! Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this look, please subscribe and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And thank you so much guys. Bye.